Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve a blue screen memory management error you're experiencing on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial for you guys today, and we're going to jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, and you want to type in memory, and best match should say Windows Memory Diagnostic. You want to left click on that one time to open it up. Should come up with a pop-up that says check your computer for memory problems. Memory problems can cause your computer to lose information or stop working. I would recommend after closing out of any open programs or applications you have on your screen that you left click on this option that says restart now and check for problems. So again, left click on that. And this will take some time to run, so just be patient. Okay guys, I'm back. So I'm just going to sign into my computer here. And hopefully if it detected anything, it would show you the error. But if it didn't find anything, there probably is not an issue with your memory. And that's not definitive, but it's definitely a good first step to try in the diagnosing process. But I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.